Hi, everybody. My name is Melanie Morrow. I've been hired as a consultant or teacher to help improve a struggling art course in the areas of teacher effectiveness and student success. So, how will I do this? Well, it will be a 1 day instruction to train our teachers. So, like a teacher professional development training. And the job aid that I will use to train these teachers will be in the form of a Google slide presentation, which is a step by step tutorial of how to create this resource job aid. And this one is going to be Screencastify tutorial. This job aid can help teachers when presenting a lesson and for the procedures of any lesson or project or website they need to explain to their students. So I'm going to go ahead and start right here. All right, first, you are going to go to Google and type in Screencastify and download it to your computer and desktop. It will show up in the top right corner as a orange or peach color arrow with a white video camera symbol. And when you click on it, it gives you three options. So you click on it right here. And the three options that it gives you is you can do what you call the browser tab. And this is what I am doing right here. You actually see the video in one corner of the screen, but the bigger portion of the screen is your presentation of your browser. The other option is the desktop, and you don't see the video, but you can hear the voice, and you're recording whatever you're showing on your desktop. It could be your presentation. The other option says webcam only, and that's just a video. Nothing else. It's a video of you doing something teaching. So, as an art teacher, when I'm demonstrating a lesson, then I would choose that option for just the video so they can see me do the art lesson. All right. So when you do that, when you finish making the video and you when you start, you press record. It counts down 3, 2, 1, and you record your video. Either one of the options is which way you're going to go. And then when you finish, you press stop, and it brings up this screen. You give it a title. I put abstract art history. And then there's different ways for you to save it. You can copy the link. You can get an embedded code. You can publish it to YouTube, share it to your Google Classroom, or just download it and save it in a folder on your desktop. You also have the option of editing it. So in the beginning or end, if you want to cut it out or speed it up or crop it, this is the screen where you do that. All right. And that's the embedded code. So depending on the website that your school district uses, like I use Canvas, if I want to upload this video to my Canvas as a tutorial for my students to follow along and learn how to do the lesson, then I am going to go to get the embedded code, which is right here. You click embedded code, and I'm going to go to the Canvas right here, and I'm going to go to the upload the video symbol, and then click on embedded, and then paste the embedded code right there. And then voila, here is the video. And you can see my video of me talking and then the screen of the demonstration. And that's the video of me teaching the lesson where it's the webcam only. And this one is just the desktop browser only. All right, that is the end of the presentation. This is a great step-by-step tutorial encompassing a great ID model called the Gagne 9's Event of Instruction ID model, where you use these steps to engage and motivate the students, and it just aligns your whole lesson. So what I'm doing right now is a great sequential strategy to help the learners learn a new way of learning whatever you're teaching in the classroom. This will help improve the teacher effectiveness and the student success as a great job aid. So I hope that you learned something with utilizing Screencastify, and I hope to reach that goal. Bye.